Hello, hello, hello. It is Dolly. Welcome to my channel, Scrapping on the Go. This process video is for Mini Kit Monday with Becky, Kathy, and myself. And our May 2024 challenge is a bingo challenge, and I should have that posted in front of you right now. I will also have the link to our Facebook group site, and it'll be on the main Facebook and also in the May 2024 album over at our Facebook group site. I will also have the link to Becky and Kathy's channel listed below so that you can go check out their kit and throughout the month the layouts that they create using their kit based off the bingo challenge. All right, so for my kit number 1, I'm using the first row down, which is enamel dots, color cardstock, flowers, stamped title, 3 pattern papers. So let me get my stuff out. I have it all in an envelope. So for my stamp title, I am using this stamp collection from Close to My Heart called Dream Maker. And I was really attracted to the word always. And there's other little subtitles that you can stamp along with the main word always. So always living in the moment, always in my heart. And on the opposite side of this collection is some mixed media stamps. One that is just some lines in it, flowers, and then of course flowers, little speckled dots, and then a little word phrase. So I have lots of choices. I also got out of my collection, which is not on the list, but I have these. These are not rub-ons. These are those vinyl clear type stickers. And so I have that in my collection. For my enamel dots, I have these enamel dots that are also from Close to My Heart. For my color cardstock, well, no, let's go with the 3 pattern papers. We have this 6x8 pattern paper, and this is from 49 and Market. I have the 6x6, which has been in my collection for a long time, and it looks like a Maggie Holmes paper. Then I also have this scrap paper, pattern paper from Cocoa Vanilla Studios from the Wild Heart collection, and it was cut exactly like this, and I think that's exactly how I'm going to use it when I create my layout. I also have this 3x4 card, and it says right now. I have this little vellum, what do we want to call it? A little tab. Goes with the colors. For my stamping, I put this scrap white cardstock. For my color cardstock, I have this beautiful sapphire blue cardstock from Close to My Heart. And I also have this daisy white cardstock from Close to My Heart, which are both 12x12 paper. So that is layout or kit number 1. And my photograph is from 2022 of my husband and I up in the mountains on the very top of this mountain where there is an older church. So that is the memory I am documenting. So we will put all of this in my sleeve along with my sticky note. So I'll remember what row and items I'm using from the challenge. So let's slip this in here. For layout number 2 or kit 2, we are using the top row going across, and that's going to be enamel dots, metal dies, wood grain background, 2 pattern papers, and mixed media. So let's see what we got. And of course you can add more items, and as I create I will probably add more items. Now, right off the bat, I can tell you as far as my mixed media, I'm not sure what color I want to use, but I have this stencil and I know I want to use, I think, metallic black acrylic paint with, this is just coming to me, and some mixed media paste is what I want to use. For the metal dies, I have some more of the same stuff, so I thought I could add some layering. So I will cut out these gears and layer them on top of my mixed media to give me some dimension. And then I also have these, you could say gems or enamel dots. They have the shape of enamel dots, shininess of a gem, but it's not. It's almost like a pearl. And I just love that it kind of mimics that kind of metal look. And I thought that would be perfect for this theme. For my paper, I have this black cardstock here for matting my photograph, which I'll show you in a minute. Then I have this 6x6 paper of world map. And the opposite side is white, and I could not tell you what collection this came out of. Oh, you know what? I think this is also from Maggie Holmes, and this is, like I said, a 6x6. Then I have this tag, or tag, from Allie Edwards, along with this tag, which is a fishtail. And this can also represent my pattern paper. And then I have this pattern scrap paper, which is from Cocoa Vanilla These Days, and it says Take Flight. And I thought it went perfect with this wood grain paper from Rustic Dreams Memory Place. And this is fairly old, and let me flip this. And that's what I want to use. And I thought maybe this will go across like that, but I'm not sure. Maybe it'll go like this. I'm not sure. But this is wood grain with chipped paint, because you can see the wood grain showing through the chipped paint. And then this photograph is this gray and white photograph of me and my little guy, or I'll say little man now, from 2022. During the fall, and we had different colors on grays and greens and blacks, and so that's why I printed it that way. So that is kit number 2, and the only thing that I have missing is, like I said, my mixed media portion, which, like I said, I'm gonna get that out and show you when I create my layout. For my kit number 3, I am using the 4th row down, which is 4th row. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, 4. So from the top over 4, I'm using 2 pattern papers, stamped die cuts, tags, ribbons, and pre-made title. Now this kit was somewhat already put together. I don't think I had to add anything but maybe a stamped die cut. I just have not created this layout. I started documenting one of my niece's weddings pictures, and this is a different one. I know you saw me document several of my one niece. That's Sarah. This is Casey. So let's see what I have together in this kit here. So we have we have this pattern paper here, and that's 1 pattern paper. This would be 2 pattern paper. And then I have this vellum, and it's considered a pattern paper, right? A vellum pattern, and it's got little silver dots on it. I have this little strip of pattern paper here. I have this rub on, which I think is from 49 and Market. I have another scrap pattern paper. So actually I am meeting the pattern paper requirement. And then I have this resist tag, and I cut it in half that I've already resisted. I have a butterfly that's a rub on. I have a tag. So actually 2 tags. And I have my ribbon. And for a pre-made title, I selected, this is Me and My Big Ideas, the Happy Planner sticker. And I thought I might use Love These Girls. So that would be perfect. And for, you know what's missing? Is stamped die cuts. So I'm going to have to figure that out. But this kit, like I said, was put together already. I think the only thing I added to this kit was this tag. And that is kit number 3. I know that this post went up late. It is going up on Wednesday night. The idea is for us to post on Monday, but things happen in life, and I am still struggling getting on a schedule with my scrapbooking. It's amazing when you haven't been on a schedule for 6 to 8 months and you are trying to get back on a schedule. I mean, I am wanting to scrapbook. I am well. There are no issues going on right now. And I have the energy, the desire, but I just can't get on a scrapbooking routine. But I'm working on it. I want to post every Monday and post every Friday for old to new and some in between. I'm trying, guys. Give me a thumbs up. Be sure to go check out Becky and Kathy's channel. Keep coming back and keep sharing the love of scrapbooking by getting out your photographs and documenting those memories in a fun, creative way. And we will see you soon. Bye.